Maggie in front.
Kay's behind the camera.
And we're going to do a walkthrough of Karen's pocket album that she did, and she showed it on the Facebook Live last week and people were asking for walkthroughs. She's used the Graphic 45 Come One Come All papers, and she's fussy cut round the image, stuck it on here, and then she's gone round with our gold pen, which is really effective, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
And then she's just done like some decorative strips there, and I'm guessing that she cut those with our Perfect Precision strips. So that's the front cover, and then she's just paper matched and followed it through on the other side. So inside, so it's got the pocket, that's why it's a pocket album kit, because it has a little pocket to hold it. That's the inside. I like these papers. I keep starting an album with it and I never get any further. So on here, the front cover, she's decorated the front, lots of glossy accents, nice stripy spine and a stripy back cover. And then if you look here, you've got two hinges there. I think they're 1/2 inch, but Karen told us on the live. And then on the front pages, she's just got two little pockets here, so you can stuff all sorts of bits and pieces in. And then when you open the first page, they're all designed to hold 6x4 photos, so that just pops down. And the idea is you pop your photograph on top. So this will hold a lot of photos. So you've got decorative paper there, so you can pop your photo on. You've got plain underneath, which again you could pop your photo on, or you could do your journaling on there, talking about the picture behind. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've got 7 flaps, so that is 14 photos you could hold there. And then you could put another one here, or a journal, because obviously you'd need to cover this over. So that would be 15 in total, wouldn't it? So that's that one. Here's the next one, and this is the one that Karen, she forgot to put the magnet on. So instead of sticking a whole sheet on there, it's really hard to see, but she just did a little sort of tear, popped the magnet behind, and then did an invisible repair.
No, you've told me about that.
But you wouldn't have noticed otherwise, would you? So that's like another invisible repair. So again, it's the same concept here. So that's another 15 photos you could store there. Close that one up, open this one up, and again exactly the same concept.
It's got nice symmetry about it.
Yeah. It's also neat as well. Okay, all beautifully done. So technically 15, 30, 45, 60, you can store 60 photos in there, and then fold up your album and you can put it back in its nice, safe, precious cover. Thank you, Karen. It's fab.
Thanks, Karen.
Bye.
Bye.